Hi, I'm Yasmin, owner of the Skin and Laser Specialist here in Havana Digital Media, and today we're going to speak about the Ageless Travel Kit and who should use the travel kit itself. So the clients that we would recommend this travel kit to is clients that would have concern of aging, and also clients that would have sun damaged skin. The reasons why we would say this kit is so important for clients with those concerns is because it has a lot of ingredients inside, but two main ingredients would be your glycolic and also lactic. So by using those products, it's going to help with our aging process. It's going to put our cells into a little bit of a challenge, and it's going to help with our collagen and our elastin. It also exfoliates our skin, so by exfoliating all the dead skin cells away, it's going to naturally make your skin a lot brighter and firmer. What to expect after using this travel kit is your skin is going to look really restored, revitalized, rejuvenated. Your skin is going to be a lot brighter. It's not going to be as dull and tired looking because it's going to be completely exfoliated. Ultimately, it's going to make your skin look a lot younger as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to have your own Ageless kit and want to purchase 2 for 1, follow the link below this video. Thank you later.